A day in my life. They say when you have a family, you have everything. How true is that? During my childhood days, I vaguely remember celebrating my birthday. Coming from a middle class family where both the parents are teachers, education was the only focus. But now, with the kids growing and the MPS family around, birthdays are truly special here. They bring in beautiful gestures every year, and they're getting better in throwing surprise birthday parties. This year was extra special with goodies from faraway relations and faraway teammates. We winded up with a dinner party and finally unboxed all the handmade gifts from the team, and it was such a lovely day. I have no words to express my gratefulness for the team and the love around. So blessed.